How to back up WhatsApp business messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up WhatsApp business messages. Now before we start, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step is open up your WhatsApp business. After you open it up, simply head over to the settings on the bottom right corner, and after you're on the settings option, simply scroll down till you find the chats. Tap on chats, and after you tap on chats, you should see chat backup. Tap on chat backup, and there you should find the backup option. Now, since my iCloud storage is full, it is not giving me an option to backup, but instead of backing up right here, you should find a backup option. Tap on backup, and you will be able to back up your WhatsApp. Now here you can tap on auto backup to simply turn this on or turn off. It's completely up to you. Change it, it's up to your choice. Now before you back up, you'll need to enable this settings here. You can include videos too if you want to in your backup. And there is another option called end-to-end encrypted backup. Now this adds another layer of security to protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. Now you can turn this on if you want to or not, it's completely up to you. After you set everything, tap on backup and your WhatsApp will get backed up. And it's that simple guys, that is how you back up WhatsApp business. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.